And we said a lot of things about how plants will absorb mineral elements from the soil and then use these mineral elements for nourishment. And that plants obtain these mineral elements through their roots by the process of what? Diffusion or
Absorption.
absorption. Thank you very much. Now, we also mentioned some mineral elements that are used by plants for various purposes. There we talked about
Magnesium.
magnesium, very good. And which other element? Alright, which other element did we mention? Nitrate, which one? Nitrogen, very good. So, now let's look at it. What is the major purpose or the function of nitrogen in plants? For making protein, right?
Yes, sir.
And then if nitrogen is lacking in a particular plant, what do you think will be the effect? Yes? Beautiful, stunted growth. Hello?
Sir,
Yes.
this might turn yellow.
Yes, it might also lead to yellowish coloration on the leaf. That's basically when magnesium is lacking in plants, what do you think will be the effect, the physical effect? How would you know that magnesium is lacking in the plants? Yes, okay, fine.
It will be green.
Okay, it will not be green. Is that what you said? Beautiful. Why would it not be green? Yes?
First of all, magnesium is an active ingredient like in plants. It's like an ingredient that helps it grow.
An ingredient that helps it to grow. Is that what you said? Okay, there's a particular function I want to hear. What does the magnesium do particularly? Yes? It is used for making chlorophyll. What is chlorophyll? Yes? It is the green pigment in plant. In other words, that is the major coloration of the plant. Greenish, right?
Yes.
What color can you see here?
Green.
Very good. I like that observation. Some parts are brownish, then some are yellowish, and then you have this one that is looking light yellow, or rather light green, right?
Yes.
Now let's look at it. Look at these two plants. Which one is heavier?
Which one?
Oh, the one on my right, right? Good. What about this? What is wrong with this? Oh, it looks like it's dying.
Yes. Looks like it's like magnesium, nitrogen, and chlorophyll too.
Oh, beautiful. Okay. Basically, it doesn't have sufficient chlorophyll, right? What would be responsible?
Lack of magnesium.
Okay, someone said lack of soil. Lack of water.
Not the right soil.
Not the right soil. Lack of nutrition. Hello there. Lack of protein. Lack of vitamin D. Lack of nitrogen.
Not getting enough magnesium.
Oh, beautiful! I accept that one the most. It is lacking sufficient magnesium. Remember what was said? That magnesium is responsible for the formation of what? Chlorophyll. And now, this plant does not have sufficient chlorophyll. That is why it is not as greenish as this other one. Can you observe that?
Yes, sir.
So, you should just get it at once. That, oh, this one doesn't look quite greenish. So, it is lacking magnesium. So, it can't make enough chlorophyll. You understand? So, this one that is very rich in chlorophyll has sufficient what? Magnesium. Is that okay?
Yes, sir.
These are some of the effects of plants lacking in one mineral salt or the other. It is physically observed. You can see it. Even when the plant is stunted, what does it mean for a plant to be stunted? It cannot grow well or healthily. Some of them can remain dwarf for a very long time until the necessary nutrient is supplied. Alright, so that is it. This morning we are looking at something new. Who can guess that? Alright. Photosynthesis. that's what we're looking at this morning. And in talking about photosynthesis, we are talking about plant or animal.
Plants.
Animal.
Because animals don't make food by themselves.
Oh, that's excellent. Oh, plants make their own food.
Yes, they make their own food from glucose.
Oh,
No, they make their own food using the sun, which is glucose.
okay, thank you. A good try. Alright, so basically we are looking at photosynthesis in green plants. Now, from your residual knowledge, how would you define photosynthesis? Anyone? Anyone? Wow. Good one, good one, good one. Okay, so let me pick randomly. Hello there. Yes, let me hear you. Alright, thank you very much. That was a good one. Any other person? Yeah. Oh, Dola. Matt Dola. Let me hear you. Hello, sit down. Sit down. Excellent. Very good. Yep. Aisha.
Is when plants make their food by trapping the nutrients they get by the sunlight, like carbon dioxide, chlorophyll, etc.
Thank you very much. I appreciate all the points made so far. That means putting them together, we can have this developed definition. Photosynthesis is a process by which green plants make their food using energy from the sun, chlorophyll, carbon dioxide, and water. Is that clear? Can you say it, or I should say it again? Beautiful. Photosynthesis is the process by which green plants make their food using energy from the sun, chlorophyll, carbon dioxide, and water. I hope this is clear.
Yes, sir.
Now, you see, in biology, we represent certain concepts using equations. And the kind of equation we use for this level of education is called word equation. I am going to present this concept of photosynthesis with word equation. Now I need you to watch as I do that. So you have carbon dioxide plus,
H2O.
okay, and then that gives us glucose
and oxygen.
and, okay, first you do it like this, H12, O6, and what? Oxygen. So this is the starting point. But I'm going to present this in word, which will now become what? Carbon dioxide plus water,
Glucose
giving us glucose
plus oxygen.
plus oxygen. Alright? Now, this second equation represents our word equation. The first one represents the chemical equation. I hope that is clear. You are not expected to do this at this level. But for this, it is expected of you. I hope that is clear to us. I hope you can remember this.
Yes, sir.
Everyone can remember, right?
Yes, sir.
That when carbon dioxide mixes with water, you obtain glucose and oxygen. Where does it take place? It takes place inside the plant. And the major part of the plant where this process occurs is the leaf. Why the leaf? Because the leaf is the richest part of the plant in chlorophyll. What did I say?
Leaf.
And you know, of course, the chlorophyll is the fundamental need or requirement for photosynthesis. Any plant that does not have chlorophyll can't carry out photosynthesis. True, of course. So that is the point. Okay, now we need to have something here. Who can tell me that? Something that comes in between to hasten up the process or make it work.
Starch.